Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about the items that I bought from Savannah. So here is my box, Savannah box that I received yesterday. So I've already opened it. So I've ordered a few items, few products on a very reasonable prices. So I thought I should share it with you guys. So let's see what's inside. Okay, let's get started. So first thing that I have ordered is this cute outfit. This is a dress. Okay, it's a bodycon dress and I really like, just put it here. So this is the dress that I've ordered, and I mean this is my first order from Savannah. I've never ordered anything before. I was really nervous, but when I got this cute outfit, oh my god, just look at this, it's so pretty. So समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कहाँ से स्टार्ट है कहाँ बैक और कहाँ फ्रंट है, बट आई थिंक दिस इज द फ्रंट. ओके, सो लेट्स जस्ट वेयर इट. सो दिस इज द ड्रेस एंड आई रियली लाइक द ड्रेस एंड आई रियली लाइक द फिटिंग. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी लग रही है ड्रेस, और 900 रुपीज़ की आई थिंक बहुत ही अच्छी डील है. और इसको अगर आप चाहो तो शॉर्ट भी कर सकते हो और लॉन्ग भी कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स, so pretty, and the material and the fabric is so comfortable, so you can just wear it like this and this. बहुत ही अच्छा outfit है. The next item that I bought is this cute little top. This is also so pretty. Just look at this. बहुत ही प्यारा है इसका भी. कपड़े तो सारे ही सॉफ्ट हैं. Got this cute skirt जो कि बहुत ही प्रिटी है, एंड इट्स अ रैप स्कर्ट. तो इट्स अ रैप स्कर्ट, तो इसमें यहाँ से टाई करने के लिए है. ये बहुत ही प्रिटी है, मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, एंड दिस इज समथिंग वेरी यूनिक. सो you won't get this kind of skirt on any other site, so this is something very unique. That this top is somewhere around 400 and this skirt is 600 rupees, so I think it's a very good deal. And of course, let's talk about the fabric, the material. It's so good, it's so soft. Thing that I bought, I will show you. I bought some anti-tarnish jewelries which I got on a very good price. So I got a bracelet because it looks like a band if you wear it, but it's a bracelet and this is really wow. Just look at this, so cute. I mean, just look at this, so cute. You can wear it with anything. Like you can wear it with sari, like ethnic and western both. So I've got this for only 150 rupees. Like, I'll show you. I've got really nice jewelries. I'll show you. कहाँ गया? Wait. Here it is. So this is the earrings. ये भी मुझे 150 रुपीज़ की पड़ी है, and this is so pretty. I just wear it. Just saw these kind of earrings in a local shop and they were selling it like, you know, on a very high prices. They were selling it like for 1,000 and 1,500 rupees, and just guess what, how much I paid for this, just for 150 rupees. Like, can you believe this? They look so great, so wow. Just look at it. The earrings, just look at these. They are on trend right now. Okay, so उसके बाद I got these. I'll just open it. So this is the necklace that I bought. बहुत ही pretty है. मतलब this is, I mean, everything is very unique in Savannah. If you are looking for something unique to wear, you can just go for it. Just wait, it's all tangled up. It's all tangled, but it looks wow. Anyways. So this is the necklace that I bought, and this is also very cute. I'll just wear it and show it. Look, so pretty. Just look at the chain, look at the necklace. बहुत ही सुंदर है, और ये भी मुझे मिला है only आई थिंक 160 और 170 रुपीज़ में मुझे मिला. बहुत ही सुंदर है, मतलब 170 रुपीज़ में क्या ही आता है. बट ये नेकलेस, एंड लुक एट द लेयर, इट हैज़ 4 लेयर्स, सो बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है. Isn't it looking wow? It looks so pretty. I am not very fond of necklaces, but this looks so pretty. Yes. Okay. So this is a arm cuff. बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है. This was something very unique. I don't usually wear it, but अच्छा लग रहा था, so I bought it. कहीं ना कहीं तो काम आ ही जाएगा. So this also looks so pretty. Just look at these. It's also around 150 rupees. I really like it. उसके बाद I have show you. Okay. So उसके बाद got this cute little waist chain जो कि बहुत ही pretty है. This also around 150 rupees. I'll just wear it and show it to you. So this is so pretty. You can just wrap it around your waist. 2-layered chain है. So pretty. Something like this. But yeah. If you are fond of waist chain, go for it. It looks so pretty. So wow. Just for 150 rupees. And let me show you. This ये भी waist chain है, which is ये भी tangle हो गई. Just wait. This is perfect for a beach wear because it has all the seashells and so this is wow. Open कर देती हूँ. बहुत सुंदर है ये मुझे पड़ी है somewhere around 200 250 somewhere around. This also looks so cute. You can just wrap it around your waist and you're all set to rock. Look at these, so pretty. Of course, the quality is also nice. I mean, I really. Okay, इसके बाद I bought this. I'll show you. It's a bracelet. So pretty. And of course, and इसके साथ मिला है ये छोटू सा ring. So I'll just wear it. Ouch. मैं ऐसे ही पहन लेती हूँ, but आप ओपन करके पहन सकते हो. And ring. So this is the ring. And this is the bracelet. It looks so pretty. Look at these. I really like it. This also around this also I got somewhere around 150. So pretty, no? So that's it for today's video. I hope you really liked my video, and these were the few items that I ordered, and I hope this really helps if you are, if you are looking for something new to order. So आज का ब्लॉग यहीं पे ख़त्म करते हैं. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Take care. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do like and subscribe. Bye bye.